Hey, what's up, guys? This is Mellah Nix, Mr. All Green Everything, Pharaoh Cardiac, Planet X Nibiru, Space Rap General. You know what I'm saying? I just recorded the last track last night to the upcoming project, Space Rap. Cats ask me what Space Rap is. It's what you see. It's all the energy that comes into my mind, whether I hallucinate it or whether I hear it. It's from some other source. It's what you get. You know, so basically a little bit about myself. I'm out the Midwest. I'm an artist. I come from Chicago, migrated to Brooklyn when I was like 22. Long story short, went down to Miami. And it was actually South Florida that helped incubate and help me cultivate this art form that I have, that I'm creating. And so now I presented it to you as I relocated here to Atlanta. Just did the video for Ambitious, track I wrote. That track is just basically about going after what's yours, no matter what a person say, no matter how many times you fall. Life is like riding a skateboard. You know what I'm saying? You're going to fall, you're going to get up, you're going to skin your elbow, you're going to get up. You can't stop and let nothing pull you off. So, you know, that's just about it. Also, people might ask about green, me and the color green. I'm going to give it to you real simple. When I was a kid, you know, I had a pops, just like everybody have a pops, and a mom. So my dad, I didn't want to stay with mama. So I said, Dad, Mom, I want to go with my dad. My dad at the time had a green Cadillac. So my mom packed my little green suitcase. So my dad came, put me in the Cadillac. We drove on the highway. I remember green highway signs. I never forget this. So he's like, no, I'm going to take it back to your mom. Yeah. Okay, Pops. Dropped me off in the green Cadillac. I had a green suitcase. Like 3-4 years old, I had this big old suitcase I had to drag back a few blocks to the house. So when I knocked on the door, my mom looked at me and said, I told you so. That hurt more than anything to have your own, the woman that carried you say, I told you so. So now, later that night, we were watching The Incredible Hulk. And I remember Dr. Banner because he was a scientist. And I used to tell my mom when I rode my bike, I wanted to be a scientist. I wanted a lab, I wanted chemistry. She said no. So when he would turn into the Hulk, he would turn green. So in one sense, green represents my strength. Also, with the color green, it's also due to the richness of the earth because you have a yellow sun that shines on blue water. Yellow and blue makes what? Green. When the sun shines on the earth, the water can condensate, go into the atmosphere and bring rain down to the soil to produce vegetation and things. This same vegetation a mother will take into her body while you're being conceived for 9 months. So you're eating that, and when she births you, you become the richness of that earth because we are organic material. So, you know, that's what green is about. It's strength in it, and that's what I'm on. You know what I mean? Mellah Nix. Holla.